How to change your Roblox password if you forgot it. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate the steps to reset your Roblox password in case you have forgotten it. It is a relatively quick and straightforward process, so ensure that you follow the instructions carefully. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to roblox.com, the official Roblox website. Click on the login button located at the top right corner of the page. Once you've done that, you will be directed to a page where you can see the login options. If the page is displayed in Portuguese, look for the English option, which should be located around here. Select the I forgot my ID option and next enter the email address associated with your Roblox account, the same one you used during the account creation process. For instance, in my case, it is the email address, so enter your email and click on the send password reset link to your email linked to your account. After sending the email, you go to your inbox, open the email from the Roblox and click on the link provided to reset your password. You will be then directed to a page where you can enter a new password. Remember to create a strong password for security purposes, and once you've entered and confirmed your new password, the process is completed. I trust that this guide has been helpful in assisting you with changing your Roblox password in case you have forgotten it. If you found this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next video.